In this tutorial, we will use Eclipse IDE to program Java codes, Java classes, uh, and we have two tasks to perform. The first one is to add uh, an existing class file into the project, and the second is to write our brand new class. So after installing Eclipse, you go to the program file list, locate it, it's right there. It will run, and you can see here it shows your workspace. It might be different than mine. And then click launch. Now, based on your previous works, you might have packages or old packages listed in the package explorer. If you don't have any project, it will be an empty list. So let's create our new project, new Java project, and let's call it car project, and then click finish. Now, if you expand here, you would see that you have a source folder. Let's say that you have an existing class or a car class. You can locate it from your folders and then drag and drop it into the source folder. You have two choices, either copy file or link to file. You just click onto copy files. And now if you click here, you find it right there. It's already here. And you can see here in the car class, you have the following attributes: the number of cars, the serial number, the brand, the model, the year, and the color. You can see that the number of cars is integer, and the year also is integer, and the serial number. And the brand, model, and the color, all of them are strings. I have the following also two constructors. The first one is the default constructor. Here, the brand and the model are unknown, and the color is white, and the year is 2025. For the other constructor, we can have the following parameter: the brand B, the model M, the year Y, and the color C. And we have only one method, display method. It prints the following lines. We have a line first, and then the serial number, followed by the brand, model, year, and color, and closing with a long line. Let's say that we want to write down uh, uh, a test class to test the car .java. So what we can do is add a new class, and we would call it the following name. Let's say it's test car. And then we will add a main method to it by clicking into this checkbox, and then we click finish. You can see it's already there, it's added, and we have the main method. So let's say that we want to create car C1 and another car C2. So let's see that C1 is equal to a new instant car, and with the following attributes: Toyota, for example, Camry, let's say it's 2024, and let's say the color is white. we want to display or use our method, which is, you can see the list is already here. We will choose display. And for the for C2, we say it's equal to a new, and we will use the default constructor. And we will display its information. And let's have another card, and we will define it in a different way. So we'll say card C3 equal to new card. And let's have the following card data 2D Q3 2025. And let's choose the color to be black. And we want also to display its information. Now what we can do, we can run the test card of Java. It will save it automatically and show up the result in the console. We can do this by right-click and run as a Java application. And you can see the result here. We defined 3 cars. The first one is the Toyota Camry 2024, which has color white. The second is the default constructor, so it's both unknown. The year is 2025 and the color is white. You can see here that this is what we defined with the default constructor. And third car is this one, UDQ3 2025, and the color is black. Let's say that we change the color of the Toyota Camry to a different color. Let's say it's gray, for example. And now if we run the code, let's clear the console first. Run. You can see that, yes, the color is changed to the new color, which is gray. This concludes our tutorial.